Hello, welcome to the Knynman Raj YouTube channel. Today we're going to show you how to trim wings on parrots. And I have with me today Jim Tumble. He's going to be doing the trimming. I'm going to be doing the holding. And we're going to kind of explain to you kind of what we're going to go through and how we do it. And we'll get through it, hopefully without any blood. And we'll just see how it comes out. Okay, so the proper way to hold these guys is I'm holding them very loosely. I have my fingers around his neck, but the only pressure I'm using is the pressure on his lower mandible, on his lower beak. That way he can't bite me. I have no pressure around his neck. And he's calm. Okay, we're going to do wings here on George. And Jim's got the scissors, and we're going to show you where we cut.
Again, here I have a dedicated tool. These are hair scissors. They're very sharp, they're very expensive, and I only use them just for this. You can see that, well, we'll just use this guy. You know, we may not have to trim this guy. If you look, we have the outer flight feathers, and they're very long. And the inner feathers here, I've trimmed down due to give him lift. This wing is sufficiently trimmed. You leave the outer feathers, it makes them look all full. Here, George, come on. I'm assuming this one here is just as good. Oh no. Okay, the outer three feathers here are okay, but we're going to take and trim a couple of these. He's going to fly in circles otherwise. Okay, you got to be very careful when you cut these feathers. You have to look at them to make sure that you don't get into a blood feather. A blood feather, let me see if I can find one.
Easy, George, easy.
Well, the blood feathers will actually have a vein of blood running through them like the toenail. And if you cut into it, they'll start bleeding. The easiest way to stop that is to pull the feather out. Do not try to pinch it and put stop leak or septic on it. It just doesn't work as well. Just pull the feather out and it'll take and quit bleeding itself. At this point, this is George, my double yellow pet Amazon, and he's ready to take and go back to the cage.
He's ready to go back.
Just set him on the floor, Roger, and he'll walk back.
All right. Anyway.
Well, we're back, and she's got a hold of you, huh?
She's got a hold of me.
We're going to take and do some wing trim here. Let's see how bad her wings are.
Easy.
Again, we look, and she's in really good shape. She hasn't molted since her last trimming. Her lift feathers are down. You can see that the flight feathers, to make her pretty, are still in one piece. She won't fall to the ground. She will fly and glide slowly. If I took too much of this feather off, she'll fall. Let's say she tried to fly off the cage, she'd hit the floor and may get internal injuries.
Hurt herself, yeah.
She'll get hurt. So she's actually in pretty good shape. We're just going to trim a couple little guys here. And there we go. We're going to call it a day for her.
We're all done, baby.
Oh, she went. Okay. Well, we're back. This is Boho, my yellow-naped Amazon, and we're going to take and trim some wings. Proprietary scissors. And again, she hasn't totally molted since her last clipping. You can see that she's grown a few back, so we're going to take and trim them down. We have the outer flight feathers that are still in good shape. And I'll take 3 or 4 or 5 of the center flight feathers. It'll allow her to fly and glide, but not fly. And watch out there, girlfriend. Oh yeah, see, she's actually coming through a little bit here. So here we go. And that pretty well takes care of that. Turn her over and stand her on my hand.
There you go, Bobo.
Come here, girlfriend.
Good job, Bobo. All right. Hey, thanks for tuning in to the Knynman Raj YouTube channel. Hope you learned something today. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for helping.
Hey, buddy.
All right. And I also want to say thanks to Matt, the Southwest Backpacker, behind the camera. You did a great job. Thank you, buddy.
Say hi, Boho. Hello, little Stevie Wonder. Feel we superstition. That's my baby.
Thanks for watching.
Bye now.